another amazing banging video. Damn! Well, I'm trying to tell you, boy, I'm happy today because we had a bunch of rain last week. I couldn't drop a video, but guess what? Today we're going to be installing a diffuser, bro. A diffuser. You know what I'm saying? So, Sam, I don't know what a diffuser is. Well, hush it, let me tell you. It's like the lower piece of the bumper. You know what I'm saying? On the rear end. It's gonna be epic. I promise it's gonna look super nice, y'all. Super nice, super nice. You know what I'm saying? So, anyways, since you don't know what that is, let me show you what it is. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a diffuser. You know what I'm saying? You see where the pipe going right there. You know what I'm saying? But look at the carbon fiber effect on that thing, bro. Look at that. My goodness, man. Hey, yo, we ain't playing no games. I'm telling you, Orange Crush 392 about to be game-wise, bro. Game-wise, I'm telling you. Hey, matter of fact, I'm doing too much talking. Let me go install this thing for y'all right now. So, bear with me. All right, so we got, let me see, what's this? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we got 4 7mm screws. If you're doing this, people, that's it right there. We got 4 of those right there. And we got 2 of those right there to take out as well. And that's it, man. That's it. Everything else is, we just popping it off, bro. We just popping it off. After that, well, look at this, man. I got this good. Y'all underneath the car with me, bro. I don't be doing this right here. Listen, hold on. Let me see if, wait a minute. Let me see if y'all can hear that ratchet. Ooh, bringing that good content for y'all. Boy. This is what we do. This is what Orange Crush do, boy. Hey, listen. We getting down and dirty underneath Orange Crush, man. You know what I'm saying? This is the best content right here I think I've given. You know what I'm saying? Because I got y'all in the midst of me handling some business underneath Orange Crush right now. So, y'all, look all that rock and stuff. Girl, you naughty, you to spin up on you. You a spanking girl around with you. You do all that. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we done with that part. Now what we got to do is we have to pull off the bumper. Whew, I'm scared of that part, but yeah, we got to do what we got to do, man. You know what I'm saying? Orange Crush is looking up to me right now. Sam, I need you to pull off my back bumper. All right, I'm getting low on y'all, right? Look at me, boy, getting low right. All right, you gotta just pull that off, man. Pull it off. Y'all ready for that? I'm not. I'm scared. But we gotta do what we gotta do. I'm saying Orange Crush need me right now. See what I'm saying, y'all? That's how you handle business. I thought I broke the car just now, but I didn't. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Wait, let me bring y'all in a little closer. So y'all can see what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? Get that good footage, man. This is what I do for y'all, man. I'm giving y'all that good footage. That good footage. Okay. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to pre-drill the holes inside the carbon fiber diffuser so that the holes can already be there, you know, when they align and all that, because I don't got time to put the bumper on, then trying to drill through the carbon fiber at the same time. Nah, that ain't me. I ain't trying to work like that. Let's work smart, not hard. Let's get it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, the holes are drilled. They are bigger holes now, so that should be easier for us to go ahead and install this thing. Let's go ahead and get to it, bro. Get to it. Line up everything, man. We gotta line up everything, bro. You know what I'm saying? Line it up, line it up. Sam, why you gotta line it up? You want it done right, ain't he? All right? Let me see. All right, Orange Crush family. All we gotta do is put the screws back in. And after that, I'm showing y'all the finished product, bro. Hey, y'all getting some exclusive stuff today, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all down and dirty with me right now. Appreciate y'all for that. Being down and dirty with your boy. But anyway, let's go ahead and put this stuff back in, man. All right, Orange Crush fam, everything is all done. Man, that thing look good. It looks, hey, videos don't do this no justice, bro. That carbon fiber is amazing, man. Amazing. So I'm gonna stop yapping at them out, and I'm gonna show y'all how the product came out. Y'all check this out. Orange Crush fan, what y'all think, man? Tell me what y'all think. The carbon fiber diffuser, it makes the back end stand out so much better, man. So much better. The attraction, it got it, man. It got it. I'm happy that I did not go with the regular diffuser. The carbon fiber stands out way more, man. You know, in my opinion. So, hey, if you guys really enjoyed this video, give me a like, you know what I'm saying? Give me a thumbs up on that. Hit the subscribe button, man. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bells. We got so much more to come to this car, man. So much more. Like I said, hey, this car gonna be, woo! I'm telling you now. I'm telling y'all believe me now. Alright? Trying to tell you. But yeah, man, so much more to come. I thank y'all for sharing the videos, man. You know, getting Orange Crush 392 out there. It's been amazing so far. Hey, love everybody, man, who's supporting me. I appreciate everything that y'all doing for your boy. You know what I'm saying? So, in my next video, I got something awesome for y'all. In my next video. So, hey, stay tuned. Tuned in. You know what I'm saying? This ain't E93 or nothing like that, but hey, stay tuned in. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all already know the outro, man. Car shows, we feeling them. Trophies, we stealing them. Straight up.